What's going on? My name's Chad. I'm your Tall Tailor, and happy Halloween. Halloween's probably like one of my favorite holidays. You get to dress up. That's pretty much it, but what else do you really need? Alright, so last year my costume was super dope. And this year, it's gonna be dope too. You already read the title, so you know what we're gonna be making this video, but just for a little bit of background. So a couple months ago, I was at a vintage store and they had this $6 bin. So everything in the bin was $6. And then in the bin, I saw this Goosebumps bed sheet. So I'm like, yo, that's pretty cool. I took it, and now what better way to sort of like honor Halloween and like scary stuff and Goosebumps than to make a cool shirt out of it. So with all that out of the way, let's get to sewing.
Here's the sheet I got, super colorful, filled with characters. You got like a gerbil, a doll, a skeleton, and a mummy. And these are all the pattern pieces I'm using. I'm using the yoke, lower collar, upper collar, part for the buttons, the front, the back, and of course the sleeves. And these pattern pieces are the same patterns that I used from the previous shirt I made. So I just lay them on the fabric where I want them, cut them out, and then iron them flat. Alright, so everything's nice and cut up for the shirt. The lower collar, the upper collar, the strip for the buttons, the two front panels, the back panel, and the sleeves.
Alright, now the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sew the front two pieces together with the yoke. This is the yoke that's going to be facing the outside, and this is the yoke that's going to be facing the inside. Alright, so I pinned it in the way I'm going to sew it. I have the piece of the yoke that's going to be facing the back sandwiched between the two front pieces, and these are face to face. I'm just going to stitch here and stitch there, and then we can get to putting together the rest of the shirt. Alright, so now that that's stitched on, here's the yoke and here's the two front pieces. I'm going to go stitch on the back. I'm going to go put the back and the yoke face to face and stitch it right here, making sure not to stitch this other piece here. Alright, so I have the back of the shirt sewn together. I'm looking mad scary already. Now on to the next part of the shirt. Next up, I got the collar, and before I start sewing the collar, I put some facing on the back of the collar so the collar is going to be stiff. So now that I sewed the collar, the top part, I'm just going to take the bottom part of the collar, stitch it there, flip it over, and then attach it to the shirt. Alright, so I got the collar sewn on. Now all I need to do is sew the body together and add the sleeves, and I also got a haircut. I pinned up the sleeves to the body of the shirt, and now I'm just going to make a stitch all the way over there and do the same thing with the other sleeve. We're almost done. I pinned up the side of the shirt. Now I'm just going to make a stitch from the sleeve all the way to the bottom of the shirt. And we are done. Shirt's right over here. Looks pretty proper. It's actually like super zany. I don't even know if I'm going to be wearing this right now, but it's kind of cool. We got all the characters here. We got Crazy Marionette, we got a mummy, we got a Daddy Boy, and we got a killer gerbil. What else do you really need? Scary season, scary shirt. This is of course a short sleeve. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of it with the colder weather, but I'll probably bust out in the summer once in a while, or maybe put like a turtleneck and then put the shirt on top of the turtleneck. I don't know, I'll see how I'm gonna wear this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about my Goosebumps shirt. What's your favorite Goosebumps book? Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at the Tall Tailor, and thank you for watching. Bye.